Dear students, Namaste. Welcome to the accounts class. Students, in our last session we discussed trial balance and rectification of errors, and we discussed the examples under rectification of errors. What is rectification of errors? Why we are preparing rectification of errors? To know the correctness or to know the errors and to rectify that error, we are going to prepare the rectification of errors. So, in this session we are going to discuss one problem under rectification of errors. See, the first transaction is salary paid rupees 5,000 was debited to employee's personal account. See, this is the wrong transaction. Rectify the following errors. See, this is the wrong transaction and error, and we have to record as rectified entry in the journal entry. See, journal entry alli nivenu baribeku rectified entry. So, correct entry and wrong entry. Compare the correct entry and wrong entry, and we have to record rectified entry under journal entry. See, in this transaction salary paid rupees 5,000 was debited. So, salary paid rupees 5,000 was debited to employee's personal account. Employee's personal account ಗೆ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, ಅದು ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. What is the correct entry? Salary account debtor to cash account. See, as I said, ನೀವು journal entry ಅನ್ನು ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ it is very difficult. See, salary account debtor to cash account. Why it is salary account debtor to cash account? Salary paid. Salaries are expenses for you. So, expenses increases, it is debited. So, salary account debtor to cash account, you paid some cash. So, cash is an asset and this is decreases and decreases. Asset decreases comes under credit. So, correct entry is salary account debtor to cash account. And what is the wrong entry? See, wrong entry is was debited to employee's personal account. So, debited employees personal account debtor to cash account. So, this is the wrong entry. Actual entry is salary account debtor to cash account, but it is the wrong entry, wrongly recorded as employees personal account debtor to cash account. This is the wrong entry. So, compare these two entries. See, salary account is debited, employees personal account also debited. See, the problem under debit side only. Under credit side, to cash account. Under correct entry also cash account. Under wrong entry also to cash account. So, there is no problem in this cash account. The problem is under salary account and employees personal account. So, we have to rectify this wrong entry. In order to rectify this error, this is the error, okay. So, this is the correct entry. So, what is the debit? Salary account itself. So, but wrongly recorded as debit is employees personal account. Now, wrong agi idannu entry madideve. Actual entry ಏನು? Salary account debtor. So, rectified entry is salary account debtor to cash account ಬರಿಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ because it is correct. Under correct entry and under wrong entry also there is no problem under to cash account. So, the problem is employees personal account. In order to rectify this debit, we are going to credit this account. ಈ account ಅನ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ, ನಾವು credit ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. So, to employees personal account. So, this is the rectified entry. Salary account debtor to employees personal account. What is the amount? Amount is 5,000. And write the narration. Salary paid wrongly debited employees personal account now rectified. So, this is the rectified entry. ಇದನ್ನು ಮಾತ್ರ ನೀವು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿಗೆ ತೋರಿಸಬೇಕಾದದ್ದು. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ರಫ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯು, ಅನಾಲಿಸಿಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಈಸ್, so this is the first first transaction, we rectified this transaction, this error. The next error is rent paid. Second one is rent paid rupees 4,000 posted to landlord's account. Landlord's personal account. See, this is the transaction. This is a error. Rent paid rupees 4,000 was posted to landlord's personal account. So this is the wrong entry, wrong transaction, error in this. So what is the correct entry? In order to rectify this entry, we are going to follow 3 steps, that is correct entry and wrong entry, and we have to compare both the correct entry and wrong entry, and next rectified entry. So what is the correct entry now? Rent paid. Rent is expenses. Rent is expenses. Whenever your expenses is increases, it is debited. So rent account debtor to cash account, cash paid, right? So this is rent account debtor to cash account is a correct entry, but the wrong entry is rent paid rupees 4,000 was posted to landlord's personal account. So landlord's personal account ಗೆ ಅದು ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. So that is landlord's personal account debtor to cash account. So this is the wrong entry. Landlord's personal account debtor to cash account. So in the correct entry to cash account, in the wrong entry to cash account, but the problem is under this one, rent account and landlord's personal account. In order to rectify this error, see there is no problem under credit side, but the debit side, what is the correct entry? We have to write the correct entry as rent account. Rent account debtor to, this is the wrong entry, landlord's personal account. Landlord's personal account debited. So in order to rectify this entry, we are going to credit this account to landlord's personal account. So rent account debtor to landlord's personal account, rupees 4,000. So this is the rectified entry. Next, write the narration. Rent paid wrongly debited to landlord's personal account, now rectified. So this is the second rectified entry. Okay, and next one is the third error is goods withdrawn by proprietor. Third entry is goods withdrawn by proprietor or owner, proprietor, for personal use. For personal use, rupees 1,000 were debited. Rupees 1,000 were debited to sundry expenses. Debited to sundry expenses. See, this is the wrong transaction. Goods withdrawn by proprietor for personal use, rupees 1,000 were debited to sundry expenses. So it is debited to sundry expenses. What is the correct entry now? The correct entry is drawings account debtor. Drawings account debtor. Why it is drawings account? See, goods withdrawn by the proprietor or owner, by the owner. So goods or cash or whatever it is withdrawn by the proprietor for his personal use means it is known as drawings. It is comes in your first chapter ಅಲ್ಲಿ drawings ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಿ. So drawings means the proprietor or owner withdrawn goods or cash for his personal use. ಅವನ ಪರ್ಸನಲ್ ಯೂಸಿಗೆ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನಿಂದ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಅಥವಾ ಗೂಡ್ಸನ್ನು ತಗೊಳ್ತಾನೆ, ವಿಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಫಾರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನೋನ್ ಆಸ್ ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಡೇಟಾ to cash account. Drawings account data to cash account. See, goods withdrawn by proprietor for personal use rupees 10,000. So 10,000 specifically given. So therefore to cash account. Drawings account data to cash account. This is the correct entry, and the wrong entry is, what is the wrong entry? Goods withdrawn by proprietor for his personal use rupees 1,000 were debited to sundry expenses. Sundry expenses ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಆ ಅಕೌಂಟ್. ಸೊ ದ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ, ರಾಂಗ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಈಸ್ sundry expenses account data to cash account. See, this is the correct entry, drawings account data to cash account, but the wrong entry is sundry expenses account data to cash account. See, there is no problem under credit side, to cash account. Okay, the problem is under this one, drawings and sundry expenses, same procedure. See, the drawings account is correct entry alva. So drawing account, the third rectified entry is drawings account data to cash account ಬರೀಲಿಕ್ಕೆ, ಯಾಕೆಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಡೇಟಾ ಹಿಯರ್ sundry expenses. So this is the wrong entry. So in order to rectify this, we are going to transfer this as credit to sundry expenses. So drawings account data to sundry expenses account, that is rupees 1,000. So narration, goods withdrawn by the proprietor for his personal use is wrongly debited to sundry expenses, now rectified. So write the narration using this transaction. Okay, I am not writing. Okay, next one. Next transaction is fourth transaction. Cash received from Mr. K rupees 2,000 was posted to Mr. A's account. See, cash received from Mr. K rupees 2,000 was posted to Mr. A's account. So this is the wrong transaction, error in this. So what is the correct entry? Cash received. So cash received, your cash increases, cash is an asset, so therefore it is debited. Cash account data to Mr. K's account. So this is the correct entry, cash received from Mr. K. So cash account data to Mr. K's account. Wrong entry is, what is the wrong entry? Cash account data to Mr. A's account. See, this is the wrong entry, cash account data to Mr. A's account. So under debit side there is no problem, cash received we write it as under debit side, and to Mr. K's account and to Mr. A's account. So this is the problem. Okay, So in order to rectify this, what is the correct entry? Correct entry is cash account debtor to Mr. K's account. So in order to rectify this entry, the rectification entry is Mr. A's account debtor to Mr. K's account. So this is correct, to Mr. K's account. So this is credited, wrong entry, Mr. A credited. In order to rectify this, we are going to debit this account, Mr. A's account debtor to Mr. K's account. So write the narration. Cash received from Mr. K, rupees 2000 was wrongly posted to Mr. A's account, now rectified. So this is the rectified entry. Next one is last transaction, credit sales to Mohan is not recorded. Is not recorded, rupees 7,000. So this is first example already discuss ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ ನಾವು. So that is credit sales to Mohan rupees 7,000 is not recorded. Not recorded means we have to record this transaction. What is the entry? Mohan's account debtor to sales account. So ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ rectified or correct entry, wrong entry ಯಾವುದು ಬರೀಲಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ. So because it is not recorded, so complete omission. Mohan's account debtor to sales account. Okay, rupees 7,000. So it is not, write the narration. It is not recorded. Say credit sales to Mohan is not recorded, now rectified. So hope you have cleared the rectification of errors. So in the next video, we are going to discuss another problem under rectification of errors. Thank you.